welcome to the 4th hour of the review hour. This is a special week. This week is Cans Week. Okay, so today we have 2 different cans.
Right, and I think the first thing you want to think about when reviewing cans is see if there's a label or a header.
And this can also has a header or a label.
Now the reason that labels or headers are so important is because what's most important really is the contents of these cans. And the label or the header can tell you what the contents of the cans are about.
And speaking about contents, when you're making your cans, you want to try and fit in as many contents as possible into the smallest amount of space. Now Dominic, how much do you think that can weighs?
100 grams.
Okay, and how much does it actually weigh?
425 grams, so a 1:4 ratio. Now Stephen, how much do you think that weighs? 199 milliliters?
Yeah, I would say so.
How much does it actually weigh?
398 milliliters.
So roughly a 1:2 ratio.
Yeah, roughly. Now I think we can both agree that this can is more condensed and it has a better ratio.
I agree. Now the reason we call them labels sometimes instead of headers is because we have a saying here that we like, labels and tables.
Right.
The good thing about tables is they can keep your cans really organized. And what both these tables contain is percentages.
And percentages are actually ratios. Now that's the other good thing about tables. With a table, you can jam-pack a lot of ratios into a small amount of space.
Now the thing about the contents of the cans is you want to get at them quickly and easily. That's why one thing you should think about when designing cans is tabs.
This can does not have a tab. So if I'm using this can, I'm going to be in trouble because I'm wasting a lot of time looking around this can trying to figure out what's inside it.
Whereas for me, I just need to quickly find that tab and I know the contents of the cans just like that. Now one final thing to think about when thinking about cans is diagrams, and I think we both agree they're optional.
Yeah, diagrams are optional because diagrams take up a lot of space, but they're good in the sense that they provide you with an overall picture of the topic. Now Dominic, which can do you prefer?
After reviewing everything, I think this can is better because it's more condensed and it has the tab. So remember kids, when you're making your cans, you have to think about labels and headers, tables, condense them, and tabs.
Oh, look at that. The rule of 4s.
Everywhere.